Alright guys, you see the box from the front, see the box from the side. Yeah. So now I'm opening the box right now to see what exactly is in the contents. You know? A little tough. I hope this isn't damaging anything inside. It's a little tough. So I'm trying to get all the sides and all the things. I kind of like the packaging they gave. I think this was like 6.1 or 4.1. I forgot. Either one. Okay. So the only thing that I wish they would have done would have had something over it, so just in case when you're cutting through, it doesn't cut the actual thing. But I like the little things on the side. This one's popped. Guess it went through some damage thing. Okay. From first looks and first look around, it looks really good, like condition. It's kind of heavy, so I mean, I guess you're getting what you purchase. So I'm gonna open up the contents right now. A little tough here. Kind of like that. Keeps everything together. So this is it without the plastic around it. This is like the first look of it. From here. Then they have everything on the sides, as you guys can see. This is kind of cool. Really impressive, I'm not gonna lie. Packaging and everything wise, really impressive. So this is the essential one. As a first page, acknowledgements and stuff like that. Tells you exactly how to go through the course, the lessons, other things like that. Okay, I'm seeing. Okay, that's cool. So I'm just gonna show you guys one of the books, which was the essential one, the beginning one. And then I'm gonna show you guys the audio book, the audio. I see. So they have three CDs for the essential, and then 3 CDs for the intermediate, and 3 CDs for the advanced. I see how it goes. This is nice. Of course, I hope you guys aren't using just all of this as a way to learn Portuguese. You definitely need to take more steps, such as podcasts, such as potentially hiring a tutor or getting some friends. And they also give you a notebook, which is cool, so you don't have to actually buy your own notebook, and you have like a literal notebook that's perfect for the little bookshelf thing. Alright, that's it guys. That's it.